total snow accumulations between 8 and 13 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour.
What's up, Bearded Nation? Welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. This is our first video of 2025 and I hope it's going to be a doozy. Like most of the Midwest, we are under a severe winter storm warning, blizzard warning, whatever you want to call it. Right now the temperature is 14 degrees out. I don't know what that is in Celsius, but it's cold. And with the wind chill, it's supposed to be in the negative 20s to 30s, something like that. But this had better be my snow episode, because where we're at, we're only supposed to get maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow. So I brought a special guest this trip. My wife's with me. So we took a 2-hour trip south to get closer to Kansas City, where the brunt of this thing's supposed to hit. They're saying anywhere from 8 to 12 inches of snow by Sunday night. Now, it's Saturday here. We're only going to stay the night, get up early in the morning and head out. But when we got here, we went ahead and paid our camp fees and stuff like that. And they had all the campsites were closed except for the tent sites. So we're in one of the tent site campgrounds, and we're just in one of the parking spots. But we do have the rooftop tent. This is her first time winter camping, so we got the diesel heater and everything like that. But I wanted to give everybody a huge thank you. We finally broke the 1,000 subscriber threshold, so a huge thank you to everybody who's supported me over the past 3 years. That being said, as promised, I will be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and it's very simple. All you have to do is, one, be subscribed to the channel, like, share, and make a comment down below on whatever you want. I got it. Pick something you guys would like to see me do. I do tent camping, I do hot tent camping, I do bike packing, rooftop. I mean, if you guys want to see more stuff building on the truck, we can do that. I do have a couple announcements as far as the truck goes. So I had a couple companies reach out to me. They're going to send me some of their gear to review, so I'm excited about that. I mean, this thing is turning into a full-blown overland, but I'm going to go ahead and get camp finished setting up because it's already getting dark, and then make me and the wife some dinner, and obviously we're going to turn that heater on and get inside. All right, we'll see you guys here in a bit. All right, so since there's two of us, oh, it is so cold I can't even talk. Since there's two of us, that requires 2 sleeping pads. So I am gonna, the wife is gonna be using the higher rated sleep system because otherwise she won't go camping with me again if she's cold. So I'm gonna be using just a couple camp quilts I have. She's gonna have the Outdoor Vitals one, and I'm going to give her the Better Sleeping Pad. 'Cause like I said, this is her first time coming with me, and I really want her to go again. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. As soon as I figure out how to work this air pump. I already aired up one. I know you guys are disappointed. You wanted to hear that beast of a thing go off. It's kind of a sleet snow right now. It's not really a heavy snow. I don't know if you guys can hear the mic's picking it up, but she's just starting to come down. All right, everybody's favorite part. Here we go. Yeah, they said this is for 2 to 3 people. This is super tight. Two air mattresses. Like I said though, wife will have this one because this is the warmer one with this sleep system. I do have the climate drift pillows, so we're gonna have those tonight. I don't even know if there's enough room in here for the jackery. We'll figure it all out. All right, so this one's all lofted up already. Like I said, I left these in. We'll be fine. We'll just let some air out of the pad. We'll be okay. And then this is the climate down blanket that I'm going to be using. It says it's 22 degrees inside the tent right now. We're going to fix that with that heater. I did, with all the snow they're forecasting though, I did bring extra fuel for the diesel heater. Like I said, I can run it on low and be just fine, but with 2 of us, if she gets cold, I brought extra fuel just in case. And I do have the Blue Yeti and the jackery, so I should have plenty of power to last us, especially if we get stranded. That would suck. Not really. I like this stuff. It would suck. Okay, let that loft up. There's that and that. Pillows. I still have my other inflatable pillows, so. Yeah, this one's easy. And there's our pillows. Sleep system, pillow. All right, time to get the diesel heater going. Yeah, it really is. Okay. All right, so tent's all set up, diesel heater's running. I'm pulling about 24 watts right now. It is freaking cold out here. I don't know who does this stuff, but this is probably not one of my brightest ideas. But I'm super excited. The wife's with me, so she can suffer with me to see exactly what all goes into doing this. Because, I mean, overall in general, I really have a good time doing this, but when you're winter camping, it gets dark so early and there's really nothing to do. So it's gonna be a little different having someone to hang out with and talk with and watch movies and stuff with, but it is freaking cold. I did end up bringing my Cotopaxi 850 fill down jacket this time, just because I knew it was gonna be cold. What sucks is because of that carnivore diet, not saying that diet sucks, but I lost like 70 pounds, and when I bought this is a 3X, and I'm down to an extra large, so I'm kind of swimming in it. It's a good thing it has these little drawstrings on the bottom that I can tighten it up so I don't get the draft of cold air coming up. But it is cold. But we're going to hook up some extra lighting and stuff like that. I did get a different light set up. I think I talked about it in one of the other videos, but I never had a chance to hook it up. I may hook it up tonight. I don't know. I just don't know how we're going to charge our stuff, because like I said, this says this is a 2 to 3 person tent. There's no way that's a 2 to 3 person tent. Me and the wife, we're going to be very cozy together up in there, which is fine for me and her, or me and my son, but this is not something I'd want to take, your buddy out with, unless, I'm not judging. If you want to take your buddy out, but these are really designed for 2 people that you're intimate with, or you have a really close relationship with. Probably not best for 2 drinking buddies to go out and go camping in. But let's get this. The lighting. I got this from Alltop, and it's a 12-volt lighting system. Alltop's the same people that make my awning, so I wanted to try this out. It's supposed to just plug into the 12-volt, but it's not very long. I was looking at it, and I was hoping that I could get it strung up here. Maybe I can do it on my ice scraper. That's a little longer than that. But we're gonna hook this up and see how bright it gets. All right. This isn't, I don't know if this is going to work or not. Ooh. Okay. They're amber. They don't go white. Okay, that's cool. Maybe I can hook it up there. Alright, that's not too bad. This is a nice amber light. I don't like the bright white, so this works out perfect for me. What I ended up doing was I had some bungee cords, and I just hooked them to this and ran it over the back side of the truck. And then these have little straps on them where you can Velcro them, so I Velcroed them to the ice scraper, so that worked out perfect. It is running off the Jackery, and right now it's pulling 16 watts, 17 watts of power off of it. So we're probably not going to use that too long tonight. But I asked wifey if she was hungry yet, and neither one of us are hungry, so we're just going to hang out in a blizzard because there's not much else to do. I did bring that portable fire pit, and I did bring firewood. Just don't know if we're going to use it or not. We may go walk around because there's a kind of an overlook over here. We may go walk it. There's a trail, it looks like, over there. Yep, that's what we're going to do. Go walk the trails. That's not snow, that's like ice. So I don't know if I told you guys, but we're in a blizzard warning and we decided to go camp in it. And it's cold, it's windy. And I lost Eve. Oh, she's videoing me. I have no idea what this is. It's like a little amphitheater or something. Maybe somebody stood up there. But they have electricity there. I need to. I don't think my extension cord's that long. Definitely won't reach. So there was this trail down by the truck. Like, well, not down by the truck, across from the truck. And we walked it, and it wasn't very far. There's really nothing down there. It looks like an old amphitheater or something like that. But it is so cold. I can't feel my face right now. Wife's still down there doing wife stuff, I guess. I don't know. It's cold.
Ah!
This is gonna be close. So this is the portable fire pit that I bought. Oh my goodness, probably year and a half ago. I thought I could take it backpacking, but it was too heavy. But it is so freaking cold out right now. Yeah. So we're just gonna sit here, relax by this fire. I should have got a bigger one because this is like firewood that you get at the gas station. And it's a little big for this pit, but we're standing by close. We do have a fire extinguisher in the truck. But I am working on something. I do have a new piece of gear that should be here soon, and we won't have to use this anymore. It's kind of nostalgic. It's kind of fun. But yeah, that's what we're going to do because we're still not hungry, so we're just going to sit here and try to stay warm by this fire. All right, so for dinner, we're going to go ahead and do steaks, but we're going to do it over this pop-up fire pit I got. It did come with a cooking grate, so we let the firewood burn down a little bit, and we got the grate sitting on it now. But we're just going to have the steaks tonight. We're not going to do the bacon or eggs or anything like that, because like I said, we're not really that hungry, but we want to get a full belly before we climb up here in the tent. And plus, we got to sit out here a little while and let this fire go down. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on dinner. Oh yeah, they're done. You want a plate or you just want to eat it off of that? Huh? All right, so the steaks are done, and this thing worked really good. They did stick to the grating a little bit, but that's because everything's brand new. But we're gonna eat these up, hang out here by the fire for a little bit, continue to watch the snow come down, and then we're gonna head up into the tent where it's nice and warm because it is cold out here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and eat, and we'll see you guys here in a bit. Go ahead. Okay. You try it first. Which one you want? You want this nice burnt one? Oh, that's good. Really? It's tender. Mm-hmm. It's done the way you like it. Mm-hmm. It's really starting to snow now. Yeah. No pets. Men. Locked. Locked. Sorry, babe, no banyos. I told you they lock these in the winter. You're gonna have to get in touch with nature. It's cold?
Oh no, it's hot.
Right? Are you cold?
A little.
You're like really cold, huh?
No, I'm fine.
That black empty tote. Yeah, put all that stuff inside there. Brr. Oh. I figured out why it was cold in there and didn't get all the way warm. Look at this. When it was put on, there was a little part of it that was still open, so it was blowing heat outside. Huh? Nah, I didn't think it was. I mean, it was in the 60s, but. I didn't have this on. I didn't have it on all the way. That could have been bad. This thing is frozen.